The Medrash asks, why is Parashat Be'aloisra followed by Parashat Shlach Lecha? The end of Parashat Be'aloisra, we learned the story of Miriam, who spoke Lashon Hara at her brother Moshe, and she was punished. She had saras. The beginning of Parashat Shlach Lecha, we learn about the spies. It says the Medrash, because the spies should have learned. They should have seen that Miriam got saras. HaKadosh Baruch Hu apparently doesn't like Lashon Hara, and he punishes for that. And they should have learned and not to say Lashon Hara about Eretz Yisrael. But the Apirion asks, the Apirion was written by Baal Kitzur Shulchan Aruch, Rabbi Shlomo Ganzfeld, Zecher Tzaddik Livracha. How were the spies supposed to learn this from what happened with Miriam? Miriam spoke about a person, and therefore she was punished. They spoke about trees, wood, stone, land. They spoke about Eretz Yisrael, not about people. How can they learn from what happened with Miriam that one shouldn't speak Lashon Hara? Answers the Apirion. When one speaks Lashon Hara about another person, there's an element of Ben Adam Lachaveiro. He sinned against his friend, but there's also an element of Ben Adam Lamakoim. He also sinned towards the Kodesh Baruch Hu, because the Kodesh Baruch Hu created people. When one speaks Lashon Hara about a doime, about Eretz Yisrael, it's disgracing to a Kodesh Baruch Hu, because the Kodesh Baruch Hu created Eretz Yisrael for us, for our use. When Miriam spoke Lashon Hara about Moshe Rabbeinu, he didn't care. He couldn't care less. Moshe Rabbeinu was the most humble person who ever lived, as the Torah testifies in Parashat Be'aloisra. He couldn't care less. Yet, Miriam was punished. Why? Because of the element of Ben Adam Lamakoim, because of that aspect in her sin between her and Hashem. The spies should have seen that even though Moshe Rabbeinu clearly doesn't care, yet Miriam was still punished. Apparently Hashem doesn't like when people speak Lashon Hara. Not about people, not about inanimate objects. It doesn't make a difference. The Kodesh Baruch Hu created it. It's here for your use. You're disgracing Hashem if you're speaking Lashon Hara about it. The spies should have learned, but they didn't.